Good morning, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian, and today I have another special apartment to show you. This is actually number 3. It's the third apartment. We sold the first 2. This is the one that I've featured before on the channel with, as you can see, a huge deck. The owner of this apartment did an amazing renovation, gutted everything, put in new plumbing, new electrical, everything. European appliances. This is a spectacular apartment, really close to Parque Lleras and Provenza, but like I said in the video that I did the other day, actually yesterday, that this is close to the action, but just out of the action. Let's go take a look. All right, here we go. For those of you who know, you know. To find a patio this big, very difficult now. Extremely difficult. Okay. And if you find one this big that's new, it's probably a penthouse in the city. And it's probably over $1 million now. So, as I said earlier, excuse the weed whacker in the background. This is approximately 240 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, okay. Has a European style kitchen, okay. Again, the appliances are hidden away. It has an induction cooktop, as you can see here, beautiful sink, okay, and hideaway fridge, as you can see, with the freezer down below. And then right here we have the dishwasher, marble countertop, again same with the island right here. Beautiful living room, okay, really minimalistic, as you can see. But again, the beauty of this apartment is the big deck out back. You have a full dining room. You have the kitchen island there with the 3 chairs. Okay. And the owner, actually, there was a window right where the TV is there. So if it's your choice to have more light in the place, you could actually take the TV down, maybe readjust it over to there, and bring back the window space for the natural light. But again, I don't think we're short of natural light right here. And again, over here we have beautiful city skyline views, as you can see through the greenery. I know the owner spared no expense, and he had a architect design all the greenery around here. It's actually on a filtration system, but again, in the city here we get enough rain that we don't have to worry too much about it. Okay, out back here we've got the laundry room. This could also be a pantry. You could have a space here for a pantry, and then you've got your cleaning closet right here, okay, and more shelving, as you can see. But again, this area here could be used for also for a pantry, okay. And then washer and dryer, all the appliances and the furniture is included in the price. I'll post the price, but the owner has sold 2 apartments and he's really ready to sell the 3rd. So again, just a matter of time with 2 of them already sold. And I believe that he's very good on the price. Again, definitely negotiable. But again, you can see this is like a brand new build here. And he's put in beautiful skylight up here, as you can see. Here's the principal master bedroom. This apartment I'll feature at the end has a really beautiful space out back. If you're a dog walker, they've got their own little dog walking park. They've got some gym equipment out back and a basketball court. And again, as I said, beautiful dog walking park. And here you're only 7 minutes up from Provenza and Parque Lleras. In this apartment, he's actually put in 2 beautiful bathtubs, the same. Okay, and then you've got a huge walk-in shower right there. And then over there, you've got plenty of closet space. All right, let's take a look at the junior master bedroom, which is right across the hallway here. Okay. Really nice light in this apartment. Plenty of light. If you are interested in this unit, definitely contact us at expatcrib.com/contact and quote duplex apartment up from Provenza. No, let's call it duplex apartment with green space. Okay, I'll know what you're talking about. So anyways, beautiful space here. As you can see, he's put in European tiles, I believe Spanish tiles. Again, really nice bathtubs. And then here, he's put in, again, really big rain shower space. And you've got a view right from the washroom, right here, city view. It's a little overcast today, but you can get the idea. All right, so this is the junior master. And the 3rd bedroom, which is actually outfitted as an office. Again, sorry, plenty of closet space here and over here. But the 3rd bedroom is actually, as I said, outfitted as an office. So perfect for executives. But you could also put a Murphy bed in here, make the desk maybe a little smaller if you wanted a 3rd bedroom, or it could be outfitted as a 3rd bedroom. And this one also, as you can see, through the door, just over there, has its own ensuite bathroom also. Okay, really nice sink, beautiful toilets. And check this out from this rain shower here. You've got a private city view. Super cool green view. So, hope you've enjoyed this brief duplex tour in Las Lomas 2. And again, if you have any questions, contact us at expatcrib.com and we will get back to you as soon as we can. So this is Ian from ExpatCrib, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, let's take a quick look at, as I say in many of the videos, the back 40, the back of the building here. Really beautiful. The river runs right through here, okay? But the beauty of this building is there's 3 towers here, and enough that the administration, I don't believe, is too high. on this beautiful apartment. Again, it hasn't scared off any of our other clients. Not like Florida, where most of our clients are coming from now. Sick of the high admin costs in the southern US. But yeah, you can see here, super beautiful space out back here if you're a dog lover. Really great space to walk the dogs. Again, I lived 5 years in this building here, one of my favorite locations. As I said in the previous video, up here in Pinar del Rio or Las Lomas 2, one of the safest neighborhoods in the city, just out of all the action. So this is the place you want to be if you want to be close but not too close. So again, a really nice space. You can do your chin-ups right there, your pull-ups. Again, kid-friendly here. But when I was here, wasn't too many kids. But this building is being occupied now by some expats for sure, but a lot of Colombian families that are coming in and remodeling these units because they know, being in the heart of all the action, really close to the center of the business district, that these places here are only going up in value. So I actually used to live right up in that unit right there. I miss those days. Maybe I'll put in some of my bird visits. Birds, even parrots used to come right over and sit on my balcony right there. So if you're a bird lover, this is a great place also. So and then right over here, and by the way, there's a really good grocery store, like literally meters from here, and a few other cafes and different things in this area too. So got a basketball court here. So yeah, really nice space out here in the back 40. Hope you've enjoyed this property tour today. I know we've done it before, but we've sold 2. We've got 1 more to go, and for me, this one has the best floor plan. So hope you like this video. This is Ian from ExpatCrib, and I'll see you in the next video.